Alright guys, we got a mail call in today, which is fortunate for us. It's from our buddies over at CNHL, and then there's an extra for the DTO2. We'll start with the DTO2 because looking forward to this. So I got one of those 80 amp ESCs, 23S, and what we're going to be doing is so out of the motors that we tried for that, we're gonna run with the super stock because that got us a 36.7, and then we'll put it in with our 80 amp ESC and see if we get any better speeds on it while we're waiting for our last motor. But check out this. It's not bad, guys. It's not bad at all. It's a lot beefier than that Surpass that we got that busted. Don't get that Surpass, man. That thing just blew up on the first battery I put on it. So we'll get that out. We'll get do a video, a quick install, and then a run with that a little later, maybe today. Super stock. That'd be good. And our buddies over at CNHL, China Hobby Lines, they liked our video with the Outcast, and they asked me if I wanted some of these because they got them in stock in the US to evaluate, see how well they do. So we're going to be running they sent us out 4 of these. I'll put a link in the description and all that, but these are the ones that we evaluated last for the 6,000 milliamp 4S with the Deans, and then they sent us out, it's another 120C. It's a high voltage, and it uses the EC5s. So we'll get these charged up, and we'll have a day of bashing. We'll take all 4 batteries, and we'll take these as well so you can compare them. And we'll get some speed runs, and we'll have a day of it, hopefully this weekend. It's nice. It's a hard pack, but it's also cased in plastic as well. So it looks pretty nice. Pretty happy with it. No frills. I mean, you're getting probably way better battery than you would for the same price. 9,000 milliamps, pretty high. So we'll get them tested. They got 4 of them in there. We'll get them tested and get them out on that Outcast of 1/5. But it's just a quick one, and I love all the comments, guys. It's been great. You guys, all the speed runs and everything going on. Mike, man, you get out there, and everything's going great. And make sure you check out Bass Boy. He's doing this Dinky Dyno, and he's just started the gun. That's the cool part. What he's doing with the 3D printer is amazing. Anyways, a squirrel. Anyways, so yeah, keep an eye. We'll get a video of this. I'll at least get this installed today with the super stock. We'll get that done and see where we go. Again, right now we're using the same pinion we have. I'm pretty sure it's 19 tooth, but I'll double check. So we can probably go to 22, but I don't have one right now. So we'll see where we go. Again, I want to thank my sponsor, CNHL. This is awesome. They sent me out some goodies to test out and see how well they do. Make sure you check them out. Again, these things are awesome. Can't wait to get them out. They're even smaller than these. Look at that. So the 6,000 milliamp is about the same size. It's going to be crazy. Well, we'll get it checked out. We'll see what we see. I'll see you guys. Peace out.